So I just installed this carbon fiber plate here. This prevents stones from entering the unit here, so it doesn't mess around with the steering. It's a pretty simple plate. The other alternative is you can use a glue gun and just melt some glue inside of the holes that exist over there. The holes are similar to like this, but a lot bigger. It looks pretty cool as well. So the next step is to install the servo, and I'm actually upgrading, and instead of using these plastic, I'm going to be using this aluminium servo mount. That's from Tamiya. So let's take a look at how we can do this. So it comes with these really small washers, 3mm, and these 3 by 8mm screws, 4 of them, and then 2 at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and install these. The point to note here, the curved edge here goes on the rear side of the servo. And I actually just realized something. This screw here is a flat head, and the other ones are curved edge. It's the curved edge ones that go here in these 4 slots, and the flat heads actually go at the bottom here to hold the mount in place with the chassis. So I'm going to take this out. With the servo mount installed, I'm going to go ahead and just connect this last part here. And then I'm going to test this, make sure it works as it should. I've also not used some of the plastic parts that came with the car itself, only because I've upgraded a lot of the items and some of the parts don't actually fit, or the different parts like this receiver case here shown in the manual, I've actually not used that, and I've actually used that aluminium servo mount upgrade here. So because of that, there's a lot of different parts that I don't really need from the box. So here we go. So installing the actual receiver, I'm just gonna put double tape the back of that and stick it on top of the servo mount here. This car does come with a receiver case. It's like a big plastic case that you can actually put this inside and then install it here, but I'm doing a different method. I'm going to mount this here, like I said, and I'm going to place the actual Hobbywing right here. So it's going to go here. This Hobbywing actually comes with a little clip on the side here, right here, and the switch actually slides in here. I didn't actually know that because the manual tells you to use 3M tape to secure this to the side of the car, but you can just literally slide this here like that. Okay, and apparently the antenna also has to go through this little servo mount installed, servo, receiver, and the ESC nicely done here. Okay. For me in the next steps, when I'm going to be installing the tires and attaching the front and rear wheels, body mounts, and finishing up the remaining chassis.